Hi guys, this is Sanjeev once again from PCS Global Private Limited, Calcutta, in front of you speaking. And when I'm shooting this video, it is Saturday, it is weekend. Of course, a chill pill day after the weekend work. But I remind you all that even in Saturday, Sunday, these 2 days are very much are days for introspection, for gain of your knowledge, upgradation of skills, so many factors. And whatever the to-do list you made last week and the pending list, you need to review yourself, and you have to check it what pending list is there and what you can do. And I will share with you today why I am in front of you all. Today's agenda, how I am making for you. PCS Global Private Limited, as I said you earlier, this is the gateway software company, and this company is from very inception. It is a powerhouse of building fresher to strong developer and all other software engineer, whether say junior, senior, whatever may be, who will be fit for the industry. So this is the company where all the people or freshers or experienced who are pursuing the IT field or may not be thinking of IT field now can join IT field without any hesitation. And I can assure you that PCS Global will join with you, hold your hands, and will groom you in IT field. Now, I will speak about the verticals of PCS, what PCS is doing and what PCS is bringing for you. Number one, PCS is first vertical for PCS is doing the software development services for his domestic and international client. That that all the business, all the companies who are in the field, they might be requiring, all customized software for their business requirement, maybe CRM package, maybe any other customer software which is relevant for business, and that PCS is helping them out for their absolute solutions. Number two, software development services. That means in development services also, these services can be extended to the government and private entities and whether domestic and international projects. And third, very vital vertical, that is the training division. We have a training absolute division, which consists of very well trained faculty are with us, those who are trained in imparting knowledge in the field of software development, software, all software skills, and people who are in corporate, those who are expert, whether technical or non-technical, they can also come and join with us for training. And college students who will be pursuing these graduates or masters, whether BTech, whether MCA, BCA, or any other stream, they can also pursue the course. They can join, they can take the training. There is a paid training, and there is a batch formation for every month. You can join with us, and you can accordingly you can register with us for the training. And third, we have a placement sale also. How after the training, successful training, we will provide you, certification. What course you have completed, that we will do, and then we will help you, for a job, provide you the assistance of job. So what I hear one point is that you might be taken, say for example, in Java. In software, there is a application called Java. So you have been trained in Java. Now, when you are facing the interview, so they are testing their skills. They will not only skills, they will see your communication, how much confident you are when you are facing the interview and everything. So PCS will obviously provide you the opportunity to get into this placement But if 50 or 60% is PCS is providing rest, 40 to 50% is your caliber, your competency that you can crack the interview and get the job done. That is the important point. And third, deputation of the technical resources to our partner software. Apart from the companies, we can also, send you, a lot of other software company where the requirement is set. So that also there will be a chance that we can provide you assistance to the partner software companies. Okay, and we have technical support team also. If you are, after the training, if you are interested for join as a technical support team, that also we can provide. So these are four verticals, which is very important verticals where you can take the opportunity. And I hope I have explained you these four verticals. If you have any queries, you can come back to me for more elaboration in next videos. Okay. And now every month, we have running batches. Now in this July, that is within this 10th of this month, now Python classes are going on. Then Java core and then JavaScript, that is also going on. And another package is also going on, Salesforce. These three packages, very important packages, are now running. If you are interested, you know, in my videos, you will get my number. You can be in touch with me. And what I will do, you can share what language you are interested to be trained. And then after I get your number and everything, I will coordinate with my learning and development and HR team to get you registered in this training program, and fees payment and all these formalities, then you start. So I will tell you, don't miss this opportunity. Immediately join this course, which may change your life any moment now, because opportunity will never wait for anyone. Okay, that is the main motto. And one more thing, you should all be aware that today is the information age. IT field is every day rapidly changing, and in each domain, if you see, in each domain IT is necessary. Today you see, I will tell you, even my daughter, say anyone's daughter or a boy who is in class 2 3, they are getting an Android phone. Okay, what do they know about this smartphone? What do you feel? Anything they are aware of? Now, the phone application is made in such a way that clicking everything, you may not be knowing the applications, but they are within a few minutes or 10 minutes, they are after, getting into this, they are searching all many things from what application or what is the, yeah, availability of resources, applications, games, everything. So, when I click of a button, अभी क्या है, दुनिया तो मुट्ठी में है, सबको एक चीज मालूम है कि अभी क्या है कि गूगल में जाओ तो कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको लेना है तो आप गूगल में सर्च करो, सब कुछ मिल जाता है। तो दुनिया अभी मुट्ठी में है, किस लिए हुआ है ये? तो एवरीथिंग इज ए रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ आईटी। Think of an age where there is a steam engine, now there is a bullet train. Think there is a age where civil aviation or कुछ fokker plane चलते थे, अभी क्या है, 4 engine double decker plane, then space, wherever maybe mining, any industry you name it, there is a rapid changes in all this technology. And with electronic telecommunication and then IT revolution, everything has been changed in human life. So IT, I will tell you, IT is totally blended. Any domain you are in, but IT is must. You need to know, IT, which is it's now a day-to-day knowledge gainer. So I will tell you, don't miss your opportunity. Wherever field you are, you get into this, you will be at most benefited, I can tell you. And always PCS Global is there to help you out to, for bringing your objective done. Now, next is, I will tell one good quote I have extracted today for you. अभी तो serious talk हो गया. Abhi, I will tell you one good quote what I have extracted for you. See, I will tell you what is knowledge, you know. See, every day you see sun is rising and sun is shining. Okay. Now, what do you think? sun तो shine करते हैं ना. तो सन जो शाइन करती है उसमें हीट है, एनर्जी है, लाइट है. सन को क्या लेना देना, कौन इसमें क्या कर रहा है? कोई तो खाना बना रहा है, कोई मान लीजिए आपका धूप ले रहा है, कोई आपका क्या बोलते हैं सोलर एनर्जी से कुछ बना रहा है. तो सन को तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है. तो कोई दैट मीन्स मेरा मैंने बोलने का मतलब ये है कि कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड डिस्ट्रक्शन बोथ आर हैपनिंग विद दिस एनर्जी. Do you think that you are also sun? So that a potential energy is within you, and you can also shine like sun. And what is in between? The energy as well as the knowledge, which can be blended within you, and people will see how you are shining. Okay, so think of that. And whatever objective you have, you know, for every sunshine, you make that today it is my objective, and before sunset, I have to fulfill this objective done. Okay, that should be your daily mission. And because after every evening, after day's work, you will be, you know, very much tired. That you need some leisure time also. You need to have some good music and everything. Then again, you have to sit probably for your study and all that. And you have to give good quality time to your family members. Everything will be there. So actually execution time is, you know, your day's time. If you are an early riser, you can get some more time because, you know, I have got a very good books in my all this experience life. I have seen, I have rather read a very good book where it has been said one very life coach, she has told, if you just segregate your time in the morning, that if you rise say 4:30 to 5:30, you think that this is the platinum time of your life. Whatever good things, meditation, whatever thing, knowledge gaining, everything, keep a diary with you, make your personal sanctuary in this book, and treat this time. This is a platinum time. Nobody in this world should enter, fill your room and do this activity, whether meditation, whether yoga, whether writing, poetry, anything you feel, listening music, you do this thing. After that, your goal time starts next 1 hour. Do your puja, everything, maybe that you can finish it up. Then you can, next 1 hour, you move to the silver time. That silver time is actually a time, say, that is also your time that you can do your physical exercise and everything. And when the bronze time will start, then your family members will gather, they will chit chat with you. You have to also make ready yourself for your work, take your food, everything, and be busy with your work. Make your day schedule like this, and you will be at most benefited, and review your work before you going to sleep every night. You will be a real gainer. Okay, so I will tell you, if you make this habit, this practice, you will be a real, really. I am doing this practice. I'm still now, and I'm really gaining. And after 30 years of work experience, I feel every day I feel much more energetic. Okay, so I faced in my life a lot of challenges. Still, I have not lost my learning habit. Today also, each and every minute I am learning from my seniors, my juniors, all are actually helping me to learn. Okay, so you can also do, and don't lose your heart. Be a self-believer. You always think that you are God's child. Now, the quote of the day, what I have extracted for you is, as you wake up today, remember, you are created to succeed, designed to own, equipped to overcome, and blessed to become a blessing. May God bless you all. Thank you. Have a good day. And again, do chill pill, but don't forget to upgrade your skill and upgrade your knowledge. Eat PCS Global from as a brand member from PCS Global. And once again request you all, if PCS Global can contribute anyway in your life, so PCS Global also will be very much happiest organization. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.